Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are talking about the most popular and gorgeous, beautiful Bollywood actress Malika Arora. So today I did her song and the song name is Munni Badnaam and I did this video with 4K 60 FPS in vertical frame and I covering all the angle of Malika Arora in this video. So Munni Badnaam is not just a Bollywood song. It is a cultural landmark in Indian entertainment history, released as a part of the blockbuster Bollywood film Dabangg in 2010. The song rapidly became one of the biggest musical sensations of its decade. Even year after its release, the track continues to remain popular at weddings, dance parties, college events, and social media reels and Bollywood theme performances around that world. The song capture the essence of mainstream Bollywood entertainment with its explosive energy, unforgettable hook line, colorful visual, and larger than life presentations. For many fans of Indian cinema, Munni Badnaam represent the golden era of Bollywood dance anthem. From the very first beat, the song established a powerful atmosphere filled with excitement and celebration. The music intensely feel loud, vibrant, and energetic, unlike emotional romantic song that build gradually. Munni Badnaam attacks with confidence right from the beginning. The song Dhol style percussions fall, inspire rhymes, pattern, and fast-paced instrumentations immediately create a festive mood that encourage dancing. This high energy composition is one of the biggest reason the song became such a massive success. Is it the type of track that naturally fit into celebration club, festival, weddings, and public event where want energetic entertainment? Musically, the song is a brilliant combination of Indian folk influence and commercial Bollywood production, and composer managed who creates something that sounded deeply rooted in North Indian culture while still feeling modern and mainstream. The folk style melodies and rustic polished production quality make it accessible for urban audience and international listener. This balance between traditional inspirations and commercial appeal is one of the reasons the song connect with such a huge audience across different region and age groups. The rhymes structure of Munni Badnaam deserve special praise because it is designed for maximum audience engagement. The beat progress keep the momentum alive throughout the song without becoming repetitive or boring. Every section feel intentionally crafted to main excitement. The instrumentation, transitions, background vocal, and dramatic pauses help create a sense of performance rather than simply and a song. Bollywood dance number often rely heavily on spectacle and energy that this track executes that formula extremely well. One of the defining element of the song is the vocal performance by Mamta Sharma. Her voice became instantly recognizable after the release of this track. Instead of using soft or classically polished singing. She delivered the song with a bold, raw, playful, and expressive style that perfectly matched the attitude of the lyrics and visual. Her energetic deliver gave the song personality and uniqueness. Many listeners felt her voice sounded fearless and entering, entertaining, which helped the song stand out from other Bollywood track releasing during the same period. The lyrically themselves are playful, dramatic, and international, attention-grabbing. Bollywood item song often the exaggerated expressions and catchy phrases to create mass appeal, and Munni Vadnamui mastered this formula. The hook line became one of the most repeated and recognizable phrases in Bollywood pop culture. People who many not even regularly watch Hindi film still recognize the song because it's unforgettable chorus. This type of lyrical simplicity combined with strong rhymes help the track become extremely memorable. Visually, the song became legendary, larger became a Malika Arora performance. Her screen presence brought glamour, confidence, elegance, and charisma to the entire sequence. She performed with exceptional energy and precision, making every dance movement visually captivating. Her expressions, body language, and stage confidence play a major role in transforming the song into cultural phenomenon. Many fan of critics consider this performance one of the most iconic dance appearance in Bollywood history. The choreography deserves appreciation as well because it perfectly matched the song energy and musical structure. The dance style combined traditional and movement with the modern Bollywood flair. The choreography was internationally designed to be intriguing, dramatic, and visual memorable. Many dance school, wedding choreographers, and stage performers later recreate these dance steps because they became instantly recognizable among audience. So guys, if you are enjoying this video, so please like the video and subscribe my channel.